Everybody got herself a blow that bitch again.
On dead homies on myself.
YouTube. Co-start. First off, hey. That shit look crazy. First off, I'm finna go to AutoZone real quick. I'm gonna give y'all that POV on the way. I just started the car, so I'll be light on it. And it's wet as fuck. I ain't got no tires on the back. I ain't got no setup, but I ain't got tires on the back. Let's get into it. I'm balling like I'm a Kardashian who finna fall off. What the fuck you saying? Oh shit, I ain't know light was green.
Shit.
You loose? That bitch ain't got no grip in the back. Tunnel. I really be having Will in this bitch, like I'm Lord Bender on this motherfucker. I really be having Will in this bitch, like for real. Like, come on, man, nigga really be having Will. I was finna have Will in this bitch, but I seen you 12. I was finna have Will, but I seen you 12. That gotta be 12. Yeah, that's 12. I was finna have Will in this bitch, but I seen you 12. Chill. It's too wet to be running from police, man. I'm gonna have to get that situated, because I can't do shit when it's wet. Oh. Like, it could be just damp. I can't do shit when it's wet. I can have full tread in the back and still can't do nothing when it's wet. It's the crazy part. Man, I hate when, like, that rain smell hit you and it smell like fucking old-ass fish or something. Like, why it stink over here, bro? Why it stink over here, bro? What's going on? I hate coming to Walmart. I'm finna park and, they on my ass. I'm finna park and see if O'Reilly's got it, because Auto's on taxing. Auto's on taxing. Let me see something real quick. I put my windows up, chat. But am I the only one that like hate coming to fucking Walmart? Like I hate looking for a parking spot. I hate trying to find somewhere to park at this bitch. I hate shopping at this motherfucker. I utterly just hate Walmart. Like, Walmart irks my soul. But I have to go to this motherfucker because Auto's taxing for some crazy shit. All I need is a little Bondo, a little Coke. I'm taking my tripod off. The tripod on Walmart brings too much fucking attention. I'm gonna just use my phone. I don't know how else to express I hate going to Walmart. Fuck Walmart. I fuck around moving ahead of him. She said she missed all me for real. What if they take the whole band and recycle it? crazy. I'm really low up bender on this motherfucker. We ain't gonna do too much though. 12 hot as a bitch. Gotta chill hitting them corners. I gotta chill. Big ass back, long ass hat, dirty ass wheel. Come on, man. Who the fuck they blowing the horn at? That's so disrespectful. Everybody got herself a blow that bitch again. Oh, okay. Y'all ain't trying to see about that though.
On dead homies on myself.
Fuck nigga. Fuck nigga. I'm feeling like I'm a Kardashian. You ain't trying to see about that? Oh. 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 Oh.
You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny?
I need to open the vent. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Don't worry, we got Will. So, alright, so I got this shit from the store. Do I know how to use it? Fuck no. Can I find out? Yep. But we gotta patch this hole. Is one up here. It's one right here, and this one right here where the spotlight used to be. But that's it. So it's really just 3. 1, 2, 3. Really 4. But we finna figure out how to do this shit. I'm probably finna watch a video or some shit or read instructions. Hold on.
I wanna eat them rubber bone.
Alright, so it only came with this, the hardener, and this shit. I thought it was coming with a whole kit. Hold on. See, I thought it was some shit like this. I thought it was gonna come in top of it, like all folded up and shit. But it didn't. Oh, I also picked some of this shit up. Make sure y'all get some of this for y'all car. Damn, I'm just dropping everything. I'm being clumsy as fuck. I'm being clumsy as shit. And some glass cleaner type shit. Gotta keep the car clean, bro. Keep the car clean and smelling good for the huzz.
Don't give a fuck. Amen?
But I'm finna go watch a TikTok video and figure out how to do this shit. Be back. I just watched a YouTube video. A TikTok video, and it's more to it than I thought was to it. So I'm gonna have to do that on another day. I got like a lot of free time to like actually fuck with it and critique the skill and kind of like, you know, patch shit together and do shit like that. But that shit will be getting done sooner or later. It's not raining in the vehicle. Like, it gets a little bit of water in the car, but it's not too bad to us, like just buku fucking water. It don't even get water in the trunk, surprisingly. Like, no, the trunk doesn't get wet at all. Like, yeah, I'm gonna do that another time. I'm just such a perfectionist to the point where it's like, it'll have to be perfect for me to do it because if it's not gonna be perfect, I'm not gonna want to do it. Because keep in mind, this car is getting wrapped. I'm not telling y'all what color and what scheme we doing, but this car will be wrapped by the end of January. End of January, mid-February, this car will be wrapped. Definitely. But I'm finna go clean my car. It's probably gonna be the end of the video. This was some quick shit just to keep the videos rolling in. I'm gonna do some more interesting shit whenever I get time. I really just don't be having time. Bro, the Charger tail lights just be fucking hidden, bro. With the blackout middle. Jeez.
That's crazy, bro. Wow.